Hello viewers, welcome to JSM. In this session, I am going to explain the packing fraction or the space or volume occupied by atoms in a cubic system. See, generally in this cubic system, we are going to discuss about the three cubic systems, majorly that is the primitive cubic, the face-centered cubic and body-centered cubic. Okay, so in that one, how much of the space is going to occupied by the atoms, I am going to explain in this session. Okay, so firstly, I am defining the packing fraction. Packing fraction is nothing but it is a ratio. Okay, I am taking one of the ratio between the volume occupied by the total effective atoms which are present in the cubic system to that volume of unit cell. Okay, here I am defining that packing fraction nothing but it is the ratio of volume occupied by the total effective atoms in a cube in a cubic system to the volume of the unit cell. Okay, so simply we are defining the packing fraction nothing but it is the ratio of volume occupied by the total effective atoms in a cubic system to the volume of the unit cell. Okay, so mathematically when you are writing the packing fraction P of nothing but volume of the total effective atoms by volume of unit cell. Okay, volume of the unit cell. Okay, so here the effective atoms usually you know that always we are representing with the Z effective. Okay, already I am given that how to find the Z effective in primitive cubic and face centered cubic and in body centered cubic. Okay, so this one I am writing that volume of the total effective atom is nothing but I am writing Z effective into volume of atom by volume of the unit cell. Okay, volume of the unit cell. So here it is also possible to write Z effective. So generally in the solid state, the atoms, whatever the lattice you are taking as an odd sphere. So that's why I'm taking that volume of sphere as a 4 by 3 pi r cube by volume of the unit cell how much? A cube. Okay. So we are utilizing this formula to find the packing fraction in different cubic systems. So packing fraction is equals to Z effective into 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube. Okay. So from here it is also possible to find that packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. So packing efficiency is nothing but packing fraction into 100. Okay. So usually we are taking that packing efficiency is equals to packing fraction into 100. And here the percentage of empty space is also possible to find with the help of 100 minus packing efficiency. Okay, so here the numbers are very important. The packing efficiency or the packing fractions of primitive cubic and face centered cubic and body centered cubic. Okay, so now I am going to calculate. I am giving that numbers of these packing fractions of primitive cubic, face centered cubic and body centered cubic. Okay, now let us see that packing fractions in three different type of cubic systems in primitive cubic, face centered cubic and body centered cubic. Okay, so which formula we are using here? The packing fraction is equals to Z effective into 4 by 3 phi r cube by a cube. Okay, so now first let's take that primitive cubic, or we can call it simple cubic. Simple cubic. So for simple cubic, you know that Z effective is nothing but how much? Z effective is equals to 1. So you know that how we are getting that Z effective is equals to 1. In simple cubic, usually the lattice points are located at corners. Okay, so there are 8 corners are there. Each corner contribution is a 1 by 8. So that's why you are getting that generally Z effective is equals to 1. Okay, and also you know that the ratio, the radius of that simple cubic system. Okay, so the relationship between that radius and edge length, generally for simple cubic 2r is equals to a. From here it is possible to write that r is equals to a by 2. Okay, so these two I am going to substitute in this one. So now let's take that packing fraction for simple cubic. So Z effective is equals to 1, 4 by 3 pi. R is equals to, I am writing that a by 2 whole cube by a cube. Okay, so here 4 by 3 pi, a by 2 whole cube, a cube by 8. Okay, so remaining in the denominator a cube. So a cube is get cancelled, and how much? So here you are left with 5 by 6. Okay, so packing fraction for a simple cubic is equals to 5 by 6. Okay, that equals to 0.524. Okay, the numbers are very important. Here you also must remember in terms of the pi also. Okay, so why? Because in your examination generally they are giving that options with respect to pi also. So that's why I am given here. The packing fraction for simple cubic is equals to 5 by 6, that nothing but 0.524. So what is the packing efficiency? So here packing efficiency, we can take that packing fraction into 100. Okay, so nothing but 52.4%. The percentage of space occupied is 52.4%. And what is the percentage of empty space? So percentage of empty space is nothing but, generally we are taking that 48, nothing but 47.6%. Okay, approximately if you are taking as a 52, nothing but 48%. Okay, so this is the packing efficiency and the packing fraction for a simple cubic system. Okay, now let us take that in face centered cubic, FCC, face centered cubic. So for this already you know that Z effective is equals to how much? 4. So why? In face centered cubic the lattice points are located at corner. Each corner contribution is 1 by 8, and also the lattice points located at 6 face centers. Each contribution is 1 by 2. So that's why the Z effective is equals to 4. And the relationship between the edge length and the radius, you know that 4r is equals to root 2a. 4r is equals to root 2a. So just simply substitute that r is equals to root 2a by 4. Okay, so we need 2 Z effective and r, that only you can substitute in this one. So packing fraction is equals to Z effective is equals to 4, then 4 by 3 pi r cube, so root 2a by 4 whole cube, and the remaining a cube. Okay, so 4 into 4, 5, root 2a whole cube. So how much you are getting that? 2 root 2 a cube. Okay, by 4 cube, the 3 into a cube. So 4 cube, that simply I am writing in this manner. Okay, so 4, 4, 4, 4, a cube, a cube. So generally here you are going to get that root 2 pi by 6. Okay, so you will be get that in different form with that 5. So just simply I am given that root 2 5 by 6. Okay, so this is nothing but 0.74. Okay, so packing fraction for face centered cubic, how much we got? Root 2 pi by 6. Root 2 pi by 6, that nothing but 0.74%. Okay, so what is the packing efficiency? So I can expect that packing efficiency nothing but packing fraction into 100, so 74%. Okay, and what is the percentage of empty space? So percentage of empty space is nothing but 26%. Okay, so this is about face centered cubic. Now let us see in the body centered cubic. Okay, for body centered cubic, what is the Z effective? Z effective is equals to 2. Okay, so why? Because in body centered cubic, the lattice points are located at corners as well as center of the body. Okay, so contribution is 1, you know that. So that's why the Z effective is equals to 2. And what is the relation between the edge length and the radius? 4r is equals to root 3a. Then r is equals to root 3a by 4. Okay, so substitute these two in that form. So packing fraction is equals to Z effective is equals to 2 to 4 by 3 pi r cube root 3a by 4 whole cube by a cube. Okay, so now here it is possible to write 2 4 by 3 pi 3 root 3 a cube by 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, so here a cube is there, a cube is get cancelled, so 4 4 3 3. Okay, so here you will be get the 2. So how much of the left? You are getting that root 3 pi by 8. Okay, so packing fraction is equals to root 3 pi by 8. This is nothing but 0.68. Okay, so packing fraction for body centered cubic is 0.68. so what is the packing efficiency? Packing efficiency is nothing but 68%. And percentage of empty space, okay, how much? 32%. 32%. Got it? So these are the three packing fractions for simple cubic and face centered cubic and body centered cubic. Okay, so once again I would like to give here that simply, so primitive cubic or simple cubic, face centered cubic and body centered cubic. So what is the packing fraction we are given? So packing fraction is equals to 5 by 6, nothing but I am given as a 0.524. The face centered cubic root 2 pi by 6, nothing but 0.74. And body centered cubic is a root 3 pi by 8, nothing but 0.68. Okay, what is the packing efficiency? So packing efficiency usually we are given that 52.4% and 74% and 68%. Okay, so percentage of empty space, okay, 100 minus packing efficiency, so 47.6%, 26% and 32%. Okay, so generally what is the decreasing order of the packing fraction here? So usually the face centered cubic usually occupy that more space than body centered cubic, then after simple cubic or primitive cubic. Okay, this is the decreasing order of the packing fractions of various cubic systems. Got it? Thank you.